Today I'm heading up to a car meet up in Tucson. Well, first I'm gonna hit up Mount Lemmon. Then we're hitting up a car meet for a toy drive. I got a bunch of gifts in here. I got a bunch of toys in here that I'm gonna be dropping off over there. It's like this whole bag is full of stuff. I might not record as much. It's gonna be kind of a long drive for a little bit, but yeah, I need to get the car washed up while I'm there too. I know Mount Lemmon's gonna be cold for sure up there, probably like 40 degrees. So get some, footage up there in Mount Lemmon, and then meet up with the rest of the people at the car meet. I don't really know much everybody at that car meet, maybe a few people, but we're going to hang out with some people and give these toys, to someone in need for a good cause. So made it up to Mount Lemmon. It's so quiet up here, but it's so sick. It's like 20 degrees colder down here too. Just wanted to stop by and get some like quick footage. This is crazy. Look at Izzy. She doing it. Anyways, I gotta hurry up and get going because I feel like I'm gonna be late to this meet. I'm supposed to be there at 4 and it's already 2:30, and I'm way up here right now. So yeah, we gotta get going, boys.
All the ages.
Exactly. Thank you very much. Thank you.
All right.
Let me get a video of this car.
Hi there. Thank you so very much.
Go back to the car real quick. You don't see these no more. 2JZ. The homie Kevin right here. Thing is so sick. And get this bullshit, right? Somebody stole his plate. Like, who the fuck? You guys out here stealing plates now and shit, bro? Got a UTR. That's a big ass Tome right there in the back. Cars back there, and I don't even know where to start. Look, you hungry? What about you? I feel like Roundy right now. I need some food. Alpha 10. What about the Trackhawk? She lost, huh?
Well, I'm trying to tell her because it's lots of parking in there.
Hey, hey. She brought the Trackhawk to the meet. Crazy. I want to hear this thing start. Damn, we got the motherfucking over here. That's what that is. That's all I hear right now. Oh no, wait, did he stall? There's supposed to be more people coming, but anyways, I'm gonna put this camera down, enjoy the show. And there's supposed to be a raffle too, so we bought 16 toys, so that gives us 16 entries to win something. That thing is clean, by the way.
To look at your car, bro. You mind if he just looks at it?
Go for it, dude. Come at it.
I used to once be in his shoes.
Yeah.
That's totally good. I wish he was this motivated about his homework.
Here, you want to get in it? You want to start it? Yeah, let's start it. Alright, so put your foot on the brake. Push that red button, and we'll start it up.
There you go, buddy.
Alright guys, I'm in the video here. I had John come through and wash the car. It's now the next day. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. I ended up winning a giveaway. God bless as always. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed that video.